In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoom recordings in Confluence. By the end, you'll be able to embed a Zoom Cloud recording directly into a Confluence page so your team can watch it without leaving your documentation. Start by opening your Confluence site and heading to the overview of the space where you want the recording to live. From the top, navigation, open the Apps menu. If you don't see it, you may not have permission to manage apps in your site, so you might need an administrator to help with the installation. Choose Explore More Apps to open the Atlassian Marketplace inside Confluence. In the search bar, type Zoom. In the results, look for Zoom for Confluence and specifically select Zoom Recordings Plus for Confluence. Click to install it. If you're prompted for approval, that's normal. Some organizations require admin consent before adding new apps. This app provides a simple macro that embeds Zoom Cloud recordings right on your pages. Once the app is installed, go back to one of your spaces and open the page where you want to place the recording. Click Edit to open the page editor. Inside the editor, use the quick insert shortcut by typing a /. This opens the command menu that lets you insert macros without hunting through toolbars. Begin typing Zoom, then choose Zoom Recordings Plus from the list. You'll see a setup panel. Here you have two options. First, you can connect with Zoom. This authorizes the app to access your Zoom account and list your available cloud recordings, which is handy if you want to browse and select without leaving Confluence. During this connection, follow the prompts and confirm permissions so the app can read your recordings. The second option is to paste a Zoom recording link directly. If you use a link, make sure it's the cloud recording URL and that its sharing settings allow the teammates who will view the Confluence page to access it. After you've either connected and chosen a recording or pasted the link, click Add to confirm your selection. Then click Insert to place the Zoom recording macro on the page. You'll see a preview block appear where it will render. You can drag it to reposition within your content or adjust the layout around it to keep your page clean and readable. That's it. With the app installed and the macro inserted, your Zoom recording will be playable right inside Confluence, keeping meeting context alongside notes, decisions, and action items. If anything doesn't appear, double-check permissions in both Confluence and Zoom, and confirm you used a cloud recording link rather than a local file. Thanks for watching, and happy documenting.